We're a manufacturing assembly operation. We have engineering capabilities that we can design just about any motor for any of our customers.
Working here, it has been a real blessing compared to where I came from. Things that we do here for the people, I've not seen any other place that does that quite the way we do.
It's the best company to work for. You learn as much as you want and you grow as much as you want to grow.
I was on the fence whenever I first started. I had no idea. I didn't know about motors coming in. I didn't know anything, and I've enjoyed the people. It was fun to learn. The environment's awesome. I've had no complaints.
I don't like working here. I love working here. I love it because the people, the work we do, just love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it.
It's a great team environment. A lot of great people that work here. Even though we've grown in size over the 6 years that I've been here, it still feels like a small, close-knit team.
If I want to feel good by myself, to grow up and learn something different and new, this is the right place.
Favorite part of my job is the people that I get to interact with every day. It's nice to know that what you're doing every day kind of has a purpose or a usefulness in the world, and I think that's a huge thing for me too.
I get a lot of satisfaction out of knowing that our motors go into systems that provide, surgeries that help, recovery, shorter recovery times, or going exploring new options for maybe cancer treatment.
Motors that we make affect people's lives. They save people's lives.
I love it. I love Allied Motions. I've been here for 12 years and I ain't going nowhere. I'm here.